Many of you have said you already have a Gmail account, but I want you to create one that will be used just for school. So you're going to start at google.com, sign in, but don't use the one you already have. Click Add an Account, and then click Create an Account. Here's where you're going to fill in your information. Your first and last name, your username. I want your username to be the MA number that you use to log in to your computers at school. Because I'm not using a combination of letters and numbers like your MA, I have to make my username extra long, which means I will probably not remember it. Go down to create a password. Use the same password that you use when you're logging into your computer at school. That way you'll remember. Fill in the rest of the information. Pass the little numbers on the bottom. They have to prove that you're not a robot. Always make sure to click the agree. Click next step and you're created.